Whew, I'm glad that's done. Here, can you get rid of this, please?
Sure, what do I do with it?
Pour it down the storm drain.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Fine.
What you've just seen are things that should never find their way down our storm drains. The only things that should are rainwater and melted snow and ice. No fats, oils, grease, pesticides, or litter. Even the runoff when you wash your car is dangerous. The detergent can harm plant and animal life in our streams. And, along with the dirt that comes off your car, bits of metal and oil come with it. Not the best ingredients for healthy streams and rivers. Storm drains, like this one here, are part of a system of channels and underground pipes that carry rain and melting snow to ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers. We don't treat the water from our storm drains like we do for wastewater that comes from our toilets and sinks. Any pollutant in or near a storm drain will flow to streams during the next rainstorm. Polluted water harms every waterway that leads to the Chesapeake Bay and the bay itself. To protect the plant and animal life that live in our waterways, Fairfax County enacted Chapter 124, the Stormwater Management Ordinance.
So the Clean Water Act was first established to create a basic structure for regulating discharge of pollutants into the waters of the U.S. Having more stringent guidelines through, environmental laws does help keep our plant and animal life much healthier.
From the federal level to the local level, we all must work together to keep our stormwater safe.
In keeping our streams safe, it's definitely not just for residents. We include businesses as well. We perform regular inspections on certain business types, but what we seek to do is to educate businesses on best management practices so that they can ensure and be mindful of not allowing pollutants to exit off of their property into a storm drain. Well, when you see someone dump illegal material down a storm drain, it's very important to report actions like these, because ultimately it's going to affect our plant and animal life in the streams within the county, which ultimately leads to affecting the Potomac River and the Chesapeake Bay. So Department of Public Works and Environmental Services definitely takes reports of pollutants very seriously. For one, we want to keep our environment looking clean and healthy. And second of all, at a local level, we have to make sure that we're compliant on state and federal mandates.
Here's how to report illicit discharges you may witness. Don't confront the person. Call or email what you saw, the date you saw it, along with the location to DPWES stormwater staff. An investigator will be assigned to the case. Keeping our waterways clean and healthy is something all of us can do. It's in our best interest, and it's great for the environment. To find out about stormwater programs that promote the health of our waterways or any other information related to Fairfax County's stormwater system, call 703-324-5500. The TTY number is 711. You can also send us an email at swpdmail@fairfaxcounty.gov.